yesterday. There was sun and there was rain. Beauty in the mundane.
Hello, welcome back to Life Midwife, and we are baking again. We're doing multiple videos today because I'm going away for 2 weeks, and so yeah, we are making cinnamon sugar cottage cheese donut holes. That's a mouthful. So, half a cup of cottage cheese.
But you blend it.
Okay, but let's see. You gotta put everything and you can blend it all together.
Okie doke.
Yeah, isn't that cool? So, half a cup of cottage cheese, 1 egg. Okay. I'm just gonna wash that egg off my hands. Okay, and then we've got half a cup of almond flour. We've got a tablespoon of sweetener. Ran out of my monk fruit, so we're using stevia. Just one?
Yep.
One.
But you need it for the coating also.
Yeah,
so don't put
yeah,
it away.
yeah.
Baking powder.
Teaspoon.
Just right. I do believe. Is that teaspoon?
Yep. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Okay. Half a teaspoon of vanilla. Okay. Then we need half a teaspoon of cinnamon. And you know what? Because I'm a massive cinnamon girl, we're gonna do a little bit more.
I like cinnamon too.
We're gonna do a heaping
Sounds good to
teaspoon.
me.
Okay. Pinch of salt. And that's everything, huh?
Yep, and then the coating, we just
Yeah.
have to melt the
Well-
butter. And here's, you can put cinnamon in this too.
Yes, I can.
And your sweetener.
Yes, I can.
And I'm going to turn this on.
You go for it. No. So for the coating, it's 2 tablespoons of whatever sugar, substitute sugar you want to use. So 2 of those. And half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Again, I'm just gonna dump. 'Cause I don't care. I love it.
And it was a tablespoon of melted butter.
And a tablespoon of melted butter. And it says, blend until smooth and thick. Okay, so we are going to make these into balls, and we are gonna put them in the air fryer on 350 for 8 to 10 minutes. So we'll bring you back once they're done in the air fryer. These cinnamon donut holes come out really cool. So we got our cinnamon butter.
And sugar.
Do that. And yeah, and the swerve.
Oh yeah.
Got that. Hot on the fingies.
That would be why I gave you this spoon.
Yeah, I know, but it's just easier to do this.
Those look good.
They do look good. You can't even see what I'm doing. All right. We are going to go and finish these up, and we'll bring you back for a taste test after supper because I don't feel like eating anything now before supper.
No.
Supper was delish.
It was very good. Thank you.
Roasted tomatoes, asparagus, shrimp. Okay, but we're full, so we're just going to
Split
share
one.
Looks yummy.
Thank you.
Oh,
They're very good.
okay. It'll go.
That's just like a donut.
Uh-huh.
Oh, definitely.
Yep,
Tommy would like those too.
it's a win.
This one's a win.
My neighbor Tammy did come over and try one, and she took some home with her too. She said they were delicious. So, anyway, thanks for joining us on another baking, not cooking, but these are a win.
Yesterday